All right, welcome back to Road to Data Engineer. This is going to be episode 12. Just got back from the gym, had a little dinner, ready to get back into where we left off in the last episode. Basically, we just successfully figured out how to scrape the whatchamacallit, the categories from the results page and store each set of categories. So adult black male super heavy, adult black male ultra heavy, adult black male open class, etc. Into a list as their own list objects, and split up the strings so we could access each classifier or category, adult, black, male, ultra heavy separately. So there we go. Now we need to figure out how to get the results themselves. So let's look at the results tables themselves. So we have a table. We have place, athlete academy, athlete name, academy name. Okay. So let's just look at what one table displays like. I'm just going to insert a break statement here for now so we don't actually loop through everything. And then let's find out what the results tables look like. For X in result tables, print X I equals 0, I plus equals 1, if I is less than 3, break. Okay. So table class. Now I wonder. Interesting. So I need to figure out, how do I get my place, my athlete name, and my academy name. Let's do this. Oh, let's look at the attributes of the tag. results tables. 0 print tag dot attributes print tag dot content. Okay. What is the children? Children. For child in tag dot children print child. We want to see what kind of children it has. So print child plus string I. We want to get a clear Maybe I actually want to get T body instead of just table. TR and TD. I mean, I feel like there's a lot of ways to skin this cat. Child 2. What about descendants? Descendants. Christopher Tran. Child. Yep. TR. Yeah. Okay. So I almost think we don't want the table attribute. We want, I think we want the TD attribute. Or, well, we probably want to print like results tables 0 to 2 or something like that. Place one. Let's do 0 to 3. Yep. Okay. So getting TD definitely works here. Split out tags that contain tables that have a TD element. Have 2 TD elements. One containing athlete placing, one containing 2 children elements. Child 1 equals athlete name. Child 2 equals academy name. Okay. Right. So, okay. Now, what happens if I see the children of these tags? For X in results tables dot children print X. We should get some nuns. There's no attribute children. X in results tables. Print X dot children. Not sure what's going on there. Let's just try this. tag 1 equals results table 0. Tag 2 equals results table 1. Print tag 1, print tag 2. Tag 1, tag 2. Now for tag 2, for x in tag 2 dot children, print x. Child or print child. So we can see the splits. I think again we're getting these non-iterable strings. Yeah. So I almost want to like say I don't really want the children because we keep getting these empty strings. I almost want to search the child object for all my div objects. Print tag 2 dot attributes class athlete academy. Print tag 2 dot contents div class dot string. None. So let's think here. So we have our first tag. And our second tag. So we can say let's print our attributes. What can we say? We can say if tag attributes equals class.place, then print dot string. Else if attributes, if tags attributes equals class.academy, search the tag for all div tags loop through each div tag and print dot string. Pretty sure. Okay. I think that makes sense. So let's make a list, test tags of tag 1 and 2. So we can see what looping through a list in this kind of structure would be like. Okay, so for x in test tags. If x dot attributes, let's just print the attributes. Print x dot attributes, see if that works. Okay, it does. Awesome. So it's going to allow us to access the attributes. If x dot attributes equals class place. You need to understand attributes. How do I want to filter through attributes. New tag. Ooh. Oh, siblings. Same level of parse tree. Interesting. Let's I mean, I don't know, maybe that doesn't matter. I don't think we really need to do next. I don't think we need to do sibling stuff here. Next element, searching the tree. A function, a list. String argument. Limit argument. Here we go. You can add, remove, and modify a tag's attributes. Again, this is done by treating the tag as a dictionary. Oh, I can just access the tag. Print tag class. Let's try that. Print tag 1 accessing it like a dictionary class. Place. Okay. So let's see how we can write our if statement. If tag 1 class equals place, then print true. Print works. Else do. How do I need to escape it, maybe? Like that? I need to figure out what this would be considered. Like what type it would be. Test tag. Print test tag. Some type of data typing issue here. Type. Test tag. Class list. So what I could say, access for X and tags. Access tags attributes using tag class and store in list. Access first position of list. So print test tag 0. Place. Yep. String. Okay, dope. And store in list. Access first element of list. If it is string place, access tag.string, right? Else, if it is string athlete academy, search the tag for all div tags. Loop through each div tag and print.string. Okay. So let's try that out. So for X and test tags, we're going to access class list. Access checklist. Checklist. Thanks. Yeah. If checklist 0 equals place, then print tag dot x dot string. Let's test this. This should be a placing. Else if I think it's else if like this. Yeah, there we go. Else if checklist 0 access tag string. Equals Athlete Academy search for all div tags loop. Then what do we want to look for? We want to say X and we want to say div tags equals X dot find all div or X in div tags print X dot string. Print. This should be athlete or academy name. Let's look at this logic. Okay, here we go. So access to tags attributes using the class and store and list. If access first element of the list, if it's a string, if the string is place, access tag dot string. Else, if it is the string athlete academy search the tag for all the div tags. Loop through each div tag and print string. That's complicated. Mm-hmm. I'm going to spell Athlete Academy wrong. Okay, this should be a placing. Christopher Tran. Academy name. Nice, that worked. Money. Okay. Loop for separating out placing, athlete, name, and academy name. Headers. Declare list to store placing information. Placing, athlete name, and academy name. Results. Now, and add to results. Now I need to figure out how best to store these now that it's looping, right? And add tag.string to results list. Results dot append x dot string. So we're gonna do div dot string tag I don't know. So let's loop through 3 tags and just see how that works. If I is greater than 3, break. And then I want to see what the list ultimately looks like. Something's wrong with my... Oh, I need to make sure I rename my variables correctly. Okay. Oh, still not renaming my variables all the way through. Okay. So I thought this would happen. So I really want to be able to store placing, athlete name, academy name, all as one list. That way I can have an array, just like I did for the categories. So what can I do here? I almost need to say like, I think my webcam just went out. Nope, I don't know. Yep, my webcam just went out. Okay, let me try to reboot my webcam real quick. Oh, it's back. Dope. Okay. I almost need like a sub result. Declaring list that is used to store one set of placing, athlete name, and academy name before being placed in the results list. Sub list. Add to sublist. Check length of sublist. If 3, add list to results and clear sublist. So I need to check how length works on lists real quick. So let's go into the REPL. So we're just going to say sublist equals 1, 2, 3. Print length sublist. Boom. Okay. So if length of sublist equals 3, results.append sublist wipe sublist. Boom. Print results. So I think that should work. Let's see. And I need to exit the REPL. Nice. Let's do like a way higher number. I feel like I'm gonna run into issues where there's not always 3 competitors that placed. Let's see if that's ever an issue. Or sorry, 4 competitors. Because I'm pretty sure in some of the older results, there's instances, yeah, like this, where it's 3. And that's gonna mess up me squishing everything together. How am I gonna deal with that? I really need to say, like, every time the placing, here we go. Sometimes a division has 4 placing competitors. Sometimes it has 3. So I need to check the placing. Every time the placing equals 1, wipe the sublist and start over. I think. If tag dot string equals 1, then wipe the sublist and wipe the sublist. Oh, here we go. If so here we go. But I only want to add something to the list if there's something in the sublist. So let's try that out. Sublist equals empty. Length of sublist 0. Yes. Equals 1. And length of sublist does not equal 0. Let me think this through. If the placing is 1 and the length of the sublist does not equal 0, append the sublist and wipe it. Or add the sublist to our main list and wipe it. Then append the new string to the sublist. If it's Athlete Academy, search for the divs, go through, append them all to the sublist. I think this works. I'm pretty sure this works. Oh, except for the last result. Aren't we going to miss the last result? Oh, I just need to do at the very end here, take the sublist dot append results, right? Because I'll say for the last time that I encounter 1, I'll create a new sublist for tag. Is this going to fuck it up? I don't know if this is going to fuck it up. I need to indent. This might fuck it up. Oh, I think I can literally just do this outside of. We're gonna set this big. We're gonna set this to 30. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Something is going wrong. And length. I'm not sure what's happening Something is going wrong. Oh, I literally just have 2 print statements. I'm a malark. I'm actually just a malook. Let's see. Let's do like 30 again. Like a lot more records. Now, I'm still pretty sure I need lists for the last sub list. still confused. Whoa, 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 whoa. Visual Studio's freaking out. Visual Studio's freaking out. I'm gonna copy all this fucking code just in case. Close window. That's not good. Okay, I think I'm fine. Having trouble seeing. Everything. Okay. So manual soda. Oh, well, because I'm. Oh, it's because I have this messed up. I think. I need to do results. Dot append sublist. Mm-hmm. Pablo, Rolando, yeah. Okay. Appending sublist to main results list one time outside of loop. This way, because the way the loop works, the last group of competitor results will be in the sublist but not appended to the results in the loop itself. If the record is placing 1, wipe or append the sublist to results, then wipe it and add in the new record. This way, each placings for a division, this way each group of placings per division is stored in its own list within the results list. Checking for a length of sublist. So the first time through the loop, we do not add an empty list to results. Okay, baby. I think it's officially time to run this whole fucking thing. So we're just gonna say print headers, the last element, print results, the last element. I'm assuming this will take a little bit of time to run. Adult, brown, black, female, open class. Rolando Sampson, Fabio Santos, Daniel Toros Jr., Team Toke, Carlos. Oh, I forgot to take out the break statement. I was going to say, those don't sound like female competitors to me. Okay. Gabrielle. Okay, let's check it out. Which year was this? 2011? Let's go to the bottom of the page. Adult, brown, black, female, open class. Gabrielle Lemos Garcia, Beatrice, Lana, Penny Thomas. Hey, man. That's fucking money. That is money. Let's do like 5 up. Let's just see, like, are we consistently matching the results with the I don't know what you want to call it. With the heading. Yeah, sorry. So let's check 5 divisions up. Okay. Adult, brown, black, female, light. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Luna, Alzira, Alliance, blah, 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 blah. Okay. I'm officially at the point where, like, I have my arrays. I'm ready to cook. And by cook, I mean I'm ready to make a data frame. Now, how the fuck am I going to make a data frame using list? Let's go to the pandas documentation, shall we? Okay, pandas. Input, output. Reading stuff. Read JSON. Again. Data frame. Here we go. If the record is placing equals 1, sometimes A division has 4 placing competitors. Sometimes it has 3. So I need to check the placing. Every time the placing equals 1, wipe the sublist and start over. If the record and append the sublist, then wipe it and add in the new record. This way, each group of placings per division is within the results list. Checking for length of sublists. So the first time through the loop, we do not add an empty list to the results. Let's save my file, huh? That's probably a good idea. Ew. Let's clean this up a little. Okay. Data frame, data, index, columns, dtype, copy, attributes, and underlying data, conversion, indexing, pandas data frame. Let's see. Python, import pandas as PD. Yep. df equals PD dot data frame columns equal columns, index or array. Oh, okay, just a list. Placing competitor name, academy name, gender, weight class, age, belt. Pretty much. Print df. Okay. Declaring my data frame that I will now fill in with all of the scraped data. df equals PD data.frame columns equal age, belt, gender, weight class, placing, competitor name, academy name. Yes. Okay. Now, how do I append to a data frame? Or access one, you know? I really want to say, like, I want to get one row of data. From my two lists. I almost want to say, like, access from my to list. My second list has up to 4, but my results array has up to 4 rows worth of data in a single list. So I almost need to say for X in headers, new row, declare a list, right? New row dot header. New row dot append header. Interesting. This is kind of complicated. How should I do this? Because I want to be well, no. Here I can do. I think a for loop is not the way here. I want to say X is the length of headers. Right. And then I want to say while X is less than I want to say while x is less than length of headers, do this stuff. Access headers. New row equals empty. Yep. New row dot append headers x. And we're just gonna, I want to make sure my last record of headers gets put in. I need to make sure I'm doing this logic here. So like if headers is 10 elements, I'm pretty sure, because this would, since I'm starting on 0, x plus equal 1. I'm pretty sure this is right. I just want to double check right quick that I'm going to get my last header. Oh, I need to append my new row though. df dot append new row. And I'm just going to say, give me my last header. Print df1, print headers -1. Just checking the last element of both and making sure they are the same. Yes, they are. Okay, so if I have my while loop set up correctly to append to create a row for the data frame. Now I need to say, okay, like access my results table. So I'm just going to comment this out. Print df. Yes. Print df, and we're going to print results 1. There's really 0. I could do this a few ways. Df to append new row. Then I want to say access results list at the same position we are accessing headers list. Okay, right, that makes sense. Results dot x. Now, and store in a variable. A result can sometimes be too competitive, can be anywhere. A result, a list I'm getting from the results array can be anywhere from 2 competitors to 4. But a result will always include 3 elements: lacing, name, academy name. Okay. So I want to access the first three elements of the result split list. Add them to my new row and then take them out of the results split list until the results split list has nothing left in it. That's what I want to do. Okay. So I would say while results split with the length of results split 0 does not equal 0, I want to say new row dot append headers x new row dot append results split 1 through 3, right? Then I want to pop those off the end. Remove list items. And I want to say results split pop I need to look at the pop method. Python pop list method. List pop method. How to remove multiple elements from a list in Python. So here he's removing through index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mix like exclusive. Using list comprehension. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next 1 to 4. Yep. So we want to delete result split 0 to 4. While length of result split does not equal 0, append the headers, append the result split 1 through 3, delete 1 through 3 from the result split, and append the new row to the data frame. Data frame dot append new row. Yes. Pretty sure this is gonna work. About to see. So not quite. Adult brown belt female new row. Oh well. Need to take that out. Need to take that out as well. Three Penny Thomas. Oh, I think I need to do 0 through 3. Beatrice, Gracie Humacia, adult brown black. Penny Thomas. to go to the last page and see, do my results match? Adult brown belt, female, open class, first Gabriel Lemos Garcia. Adult brown belt. Something's not quite working. Beatrice D'Oliva Mesquita. Lana Gracie Elite. 012. Oh yeah, because the list starts on 0 and the last letter is not included. So Annie Thomas, Gracie Humacia. There we go. Okay, so the only thing that's kind of going wrong here is I really want them to be strictly strings and not. It's like I'm getting a matrix, an array here, and I really don't want that. I almost need to like loop through the list and add one element at a time, pretty much. Headers X. So something like for new header in headers X, or like new headers equals headers X for header in new header, new row dot append header. Yep. I think that'll break up the adult brown female open class. Yep. Yeah, okay. Well, we're making progress. Pretty sure I could finish this tonight. I'm saying do that and get the results split. Individual or result split, right? Now, individual result equals result split 1 through 3 or result in individual result new row dot append result. df dot append new row delete stuff from the results. Pretty sure that'll work actually. Only thing I'm not sure is why they're not individual. Like this here should be one list or one new row. New header. Get my header. Append. Oh, I need to wipe the new row at the end. I'm like 90% sure. I need to move the new row declaration. Or result. I'm pretty sure this works. So if I do the last 3, Penny, Thomas, Gracie, Humacia. Yep, there we go. There we go. I'm pretty much there. Now, how do I add stuff to a data frame? I literally just saw a method that looked like R add. Add add data frames, subtract data frames. Copy, head, insert column, keys, pop. That's definitely not going to be what we get. Where, query, add, get addition, data frames. R add. This is probably row add. But with support. A single or multiple element data structure or list like object. Data frame, PD, data frame, angles, index, circle. Add a scalar with operator version df plus 1. Group by difference, max, median, mode, rank, sum, drop, rename, set index, drop in a pivot table, values, stack, unstack. Convert, localize, plot bar. Let's ask GPT. Hey GPT, I have an empty pandas data frame and a list object in Python that is exactly one row of data. How can I add this row of data to the data frame? Can I add it to the data frame to the end of the data frame without specifying the row by index? Append the new row of data to the data frame. df data row, ignore. Let's try it. PD series. New row. Got append. this is about to work though. I got this error. I got this error. This error. Concat. Yeah, I've had this happen at work. Let's see. Row. Money. Well. Okay. Maybe not exactly money. Something's going wrong. Okay, we will tackle that another night. We're going to end it for here for now. We're making good progress. We're almost there. We just got to figure out how to add our data to the data frame now. All right, to anybody who watched, thanks so much. Appreciate you. Catch you next time.